I'm hosting a free workshop for any of you who are not getting the women that you want from online dating apps, Cold Approach, or Social Circle. Now, my workshops are not these lame pre-recorded webinar situations where when you sign up, it just so happens to be happening 5 minutes from now. No. These are live Zoom conferences with me and you and everybody else live. You can ask me questions. It's interactive. It's awesome. You can sign up right now by clicking the link down below or on this video somewhere. And yes, before 50 of you ask me, you will get the replay just for signing up. On this workshop, I'm going to be delivering to you live my 10 lenses, dominate dating, destroy fear, mindset training. Again, it doesn't matter if you're doing mostly online, mostly Cold Approach, or mostly Social Circle. The 10 lenses, dominate dating, destroy fear, mindset training will completely change your dating life. Every action that you're taking right now, every opener with online, the way that you communicate in a Cold Approach, how you're going about trying to court a girl in your Social Circle, all of it, it's all predicated by the lenses in which you are viewing the world through. And so what I'll be providing to you on this training is the 10 lenses that if you just look at these and internalize them every single day, now everything you do moving forward is 100% guaranteed to yield you results. A quick example of this is that if you grew up in a really poor family and you've always been looking at the world through the lens of money being scarce and it's difficult to make money, then chances are you're actually just going to take less risks and not start businesses, not move up in any sort of a meaningful career when you get older. Versus if you grew up in a rich family and so you're always looking through the lens of money is easy, money is abundant, business is easy, then you're more likely to take big risks, start businesses, seek out funding, request promotions at work, all of that. And so the same thing goes for dating. If you're looking at everything through the right lenses, these 10 that I will be giving you for free, then everything in dating in any method, whatever platform you're using, it's all going to become so much easier. So again, click the link on this video, below it, whatever, and you're going to sign up for this workshop. And one more time, again, yes, you will be getting the replay. Everybody blows me up. I can't make it this time, whatever. Make it live because again, I'll be there. It's going to be awesome. It's going to be fun. These workshops are not just, and then here's what you have to do next. No, they're actually a lot of fun. We do Q&A afterwards. You guys can ask me anything, but if you can't make it, you're going to get the replay as well as the printable PDF. So I look forward to seeing you live inside of the 10 lenses, dominate dating, destroy fear mindset workshop.